Hey y'all, I'm gonna see if this work. So, welcome back to More with Mo. I have my phone propped up because I never thought that I was going to be. Oh, yeah, I am double masked again. But let me take this off. I can breathe. So I never thought I'd be doing a car mukbang this fast because I'm still trying to get the hang of everything. So my mom bought me a phone thing to go in the car. I just haven't put it in. That was her investment into my YouTube page. So today, what I'm going to be eating is this. Charlie's Steakery. So if anybody has a Charlie's Steakery in their area, then you know. They gave me some generic ketchup. I'm not eating that. Here's my fries. They're good. Usually I'll bite the ends off because I don't like the skin on a potato. But for you guys, I'll suck it up and eat them because I'm hungry. One of my classmates just walked past, but I can't speak because I'm doing my mukbang. Even though these are good, that skin is nasty, but even though these are good, that's not the star. Oh. This, my dear, is the star. Banana peppers, mayonnaise, and steak and provolone. Yes, a Philly steak. This, I love banana peppers. I had a jar of them at home. One day I was so thirsty, but I did not want to drink no water. I drank that banana pepper juice. My insides was on fire. On straight fire. It was good, but I was on fire. Charlie's Steakery. It's inside our mall. Came to do a little bit of running around. 2 days before Christmas. Yes, 2 days before Christmas. I don't even celebrate Christmas. I celebrate Kwanzaa, which is 7 days. And I will be doing a 7-day Kwanzaa special, I guess. That's what I would call it. And each day is a different thing. Each day means something totally different. And it's not about buying gifts. So, we'll see what I come up with. I have a couple days to figure it out. I used to celebrate Christmas until I got with my husband. Saved me a ton of money, but this year, I said, no. Let me go get my babies a couple outfits because they really don't need nothing because I buy all year round. So I'm not as freaked out about them not getting a lot of stuff because they're older. They're 15 and 18. So, yeah. But I just felt some type of way when I woke up and said, let me go get my baby some stuff. Sitting in this parking lot. I ain't got nothing to drink. My ginger ale's in the trunk. I got like 3 cases of ginger ale in the trunk. I was starving. I had the shakes. That's how hungry I was. That's past hangry. Oh, I got a bottle of water. Water from yesterday. I got a little bit left. I'm going to drink him. And it's cold. Even though room temperature water is better for your body than cold water. So what are your plans for Christmas? Did you go broke behind your kids? Were you able to get your kids anything? Because I know a lot of people out here can't get their kids anything because of this, because of the vid. That's what we call it, the vid. But yeah, it's sad out here what the government's trying to do and give us. That's why I keep telling y'all, the Republicans is not for us. We are poor. We are broke. And they don't understand the struggles of what we're going through. Times have changed. A lot of places still get $7.25 minimum wage. Like, people cannot live off of that. And then y'all want to give us $600. I was on Facebook and I was reading a couple comments and people was like, that's not even half my rent. Because where I'm from is very cheap. But now that the shell company is here, people want like $1,000 for rent a month. And that's still very cheap compared to where a lot of places are. Where a lot of people are, I should say. I just think it's all the way around sad. Then I think it's all the way around sad that a lot of these people out here bought PlayStation 5s, like bottom up, stood in line, got the tickets or whatever, and now they trying to sell them for $1,200 and just outrageous numbers, period. It's already expensive, period. I just don't agree with that. That was probably the only thing that somebody kid wanted. And they can't even get it because y'all are trying to sell them for stacks. I just don't think that's right. Especially when a lot of these mothers is out here single parents. A lot of these dads are single parents. Now, when I was in there, I asked them, did they have some strawberry lemonade? And they told me no. But now here it is, people coming out of the mall from Charlie's Steakery, and this man got a whole big cup of strawberry lemonade. I want to go knock it on the floor. But I ain't going to do that. I am not going to be a Karen over a strawberry lemonade. That's okay. And she messed up on my order because I wanted a combo. And she didn't put my fries on there. So I got my fries for free. So, yeah. But I would have paid for them. Oh, I need a tray or something. Because this steering wheel and my boob is not doing the job. I know there's another bottle of water in here. I just can't reach it. It's up under my seat. This shit's so bomb. I don't know what they do, but it'd be bomb. I mean, bomb. So, I'm about to get on this road again. I just wanted to do a real quick mukbang. Out and about. I got like 1 or 2 more stops and then I'm going home. Yeah. And then I'm going to finish the my apple topping for my Crown Apple Royal pound cake, and then I'll be dropping that video later on today, but I'm about to drop this one like right now. My damn ceiling in my way. I have to scooch down to get this last drop because this bottle big. That's how you do that. So please like, share, and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have a wonderful day. Always think positive. Try to do something positive. Uplift the next person, because you never know what that person is going through. Y'all know my care kit with my Lysol. Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, I'm out.